This may look like a simple limp or loss of appetite in your goat, but what if I told you it could be the beginning of a viral outbreak capable of devastating entire herds? Let's talk about the stealthy, highly contagious threat known as foot-and-mouth disease, or FMD. Intro. What is foot-and-mouth disease? Foot-and-mouth disease isn't just another livestock illness. It's one of the most economically destructive animal diseases in the world. It's caused by an aphthovirus, part of the Picornaviridae family, and it targets animals with cloven hooves, like goats, sheep, cattle, and even wildlife such as buffalo and antelope. And while death from FMD is rare in adult animals, the impact is brutal. Loss of production, severe pain, and in young animals, it can be fatal. Epidemiology and transmission. How it spreads. FMD spreads fast, really fast, through direct contact with infected animals or their secretions, through milk, semen, even the air they breathe, wind. Yes, the virus can literally ride the wind up to 250 kilometers over water. In regions like Africa, Asia, and parts of the Middle East, FMD is endemic. But in areas where it's been eradicated, like North America and Europe, one outbreak can shut down trade, collapse markets, and cost billions. Properties and structure. The FMD virus is tiny, but incredibly complex. Its RNA genome encodes a single large polyprotein, which is broken down into 15 functional proteins. Inside the body, it hijacks the animal's cells and begins churning out thousands of new viral particles in just a few hours. It's resilient, surviving in manure, soil, bedding, and even milk, which means routine farm practices can unknowingly spread it. Pathogenesis. What it does inside. Once it enters the animal, FMD targets the pharynx and spreads fast through the bloodstream. It attacks the mucous membranes of the mouth, the feet, the teats, and wounds. Infected goats often appear lame, show signs of fever, and refuse to eat. In severe cases, especially in young goats, the virus can attack the heart, leading to sudden death without warning. And here's something wild. Some animals become carriers, holding the virus in their throat for months to years, even if they look completely healthy. Clinical signs, what to look for. In goats, FMD can be hard to detect at first. Early signs include lameness, blisters between the toes, on the mouth, or even the teats. There may be excessive drooling, refusal to eat, and a noticeable drop in milk production. In sheep and goats, symptoms can be so mild, you might not even notice until the entire herd is infected. Diagnosis. How it's confirmed. You can't rely on looks alone. FMD symptoms mimic other diseases. So, lab testing is critical. Diagnosis is done through RT-PCR, virus isolation, or ELISA testing to identify the virus and its serotype. Treatment and control. What can be done? Here's the tough truth. There's no cure for FMD. Treatment is only supportive, and in FMD-free regions, outbreaks often lead to mass culling of infected and exposed animals. In endemic areas, vaccination is used to protect high-risk livestock, but it's not perfect. Vaccines need to match the specific virus strain, economic and global impact. The financial toll of FMD is staggering. A single outbreak can cost a country billions, as we saw in the UK's 2001 outbreak. Beyond the immediate losses, think culling, trade bans, and quarantines. There's also the emotional toll on farmers and the disruption of food supply chains. Wrap up. Final thoughts. Foot-and-mouth disease may not sound dramatic, but make no mistake, it's a silent economic destroyer. Early detection, vigilant prevention, and global cooperation are our best weapons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.